Hello, my name is Needham Bossard. I'm a Carnegie Mellon University student, and I'm currently working on some research to non-invasively measure respiration in the awake monkey. So first I want to explain the connection between the brain and the body and why I would be even wanting to measure respiration rate in the first place. Um, so my lab does neuroscience research, and that means we measure brain activity. But at the same time, we hope to put that in context of our body signals. So those are sometimes called physiological signals. And those you can see on the right here, the ECG signal, which is just your heart rate, HRV signal, which is your heart rate variability. So that means the small changes in heart rate as we breathe, as we do activities, for instance. And the last one is the EMG signal, which is just how much our muscles are contracting. So these are just some examples, and one of those signals would also be considered respiration rate. But currently, in the field of research right now, there isn't a good way of measuring respiration rate in monkeys. And that's because most of the times in humans, we use respiration belts, but in order to put that around a monkey's chest, they would have to be restrained and it would be really stressful for them. And we want to avoid that at all costs while already measuring brain activity from the monkey. So I have decided to use three methods. The first method is the microphone, and here you can see a plot of just my early data, and this is just on me. The exhalation peaks are exactly as you see them, but as you see, it's really hard to see the inhalation, but you can clearly see the respiration rate and exactly where I'm breathing and where I'm not. And the second one is a temperature probe, or more specifically, a thermistor. And this you can see as my breath gets hotter and colder, and it clearly shows you inhalation and also exhalation. So this was actually a really great method in order to measure my respiration. These are some next steps for my research. The first one is I want to try my third method, which would be to record just preliminary data on myself again using a thermal camera on a human. I plan on doing this by just taking an image of the nose and mouth, using a thermal camera, and then looking at the frame pixels and what they look like and how they change as I'm breathing. The second thing I hope to do is to record a respiration signal from a monkey using all three methods to just try and see which method would be the best in measuring inside of a monkey. As we all know, I've been doing it on myself and also other humans, so I have no idea how any of these methods will work on a monkey, so I hope to find the best one. And the last thing that I hope to do is to put all of this together and to record brain activity in conjunction with the respiratory signal. So I just want to say thank you so much for listening to me and what I have to say about my research. Um, Thank you.